Yeah, so this is Rifle Mouth, and of course, is one of them dogs that is involved. It actually, him are the lead dog when I the picture for Jamaica Mongol Dog Association. I'm gonna find him in this very same yard too. Yeah, actually, this are the yard where I did a visit. I see this dog astray. Then he start following me up and down. She rather. Actually, a number of them, maybe about 8 or 7 of them. You know, so we just go and take care of them. Yeah. So this is one of the original land standing dog. I go and hold the rest. Rafa! Rafa! You don't talk to me, and busy me behind again now. Rafa! Of course, we're streaming live from the cockpit country, and you know the cockpit country is a part of the Ely part of Maroon Town, that's St. James, a part of Trelawney, that's down to Ulster Spring and all of those places. And it go all the way back to part and parcel of Westmoreland and Hanover. And it goes all the way back to Manchester too. Right? Yeah. It's the cockpit country. Yeah. So this is what the cockpit country is like. What's your Myra Gate? Youth coming from school, you know. Okay, prefect them with white shirts. Beautiful Mount Anorak, you know. And today we are stream live now to tell you a story about Anorak. Because enough people hear about Anorak and there are many theories, you know. But Anorak are one of the original names from back then, from way, way back. From when Sargon invaded Hezekiah and them lead the people coming out of the land of paradise. Dated way back. And it can be, you can hear more about it in a video docu book soon to be released. Another one called Children of Anorak. Of course, you know, we're doing Maroon Book of Theology, and that is available on the same platform. Right, so as we were saying about Anorak, Anorak itself is as a history. Originally, those people stray from their original foundation or roots where they were brought up in, that's in Africa, because they were being persecuted at that time by the same colonial master who always tried to persecute us. So we flee into this land and then we create a city that's stretched across St. James, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland and over in straight up to but the thing that we must note that the original name for Anorak is actually Ranorock. Ranoroc. It's Ranorock. And over given, so if you listen all the time people then talking and you say Ronarock. You understand? You're going to rock, but Ranorock, it was Ranorock. You understand, as Skelton was known as Samaria in those days. And then you used to have like place like Beth Salem, right? You know the biblical name. You have Salem over there is a part of that city too. That's Salem, the same Mount Salem. But you have Beth Salem, and you have, that's on the Akampong side. You have Pisgah, Elim, no, the biblical name. Then you would have what you call Ranrat. Beside it, you have Jericho. Then you have far in the distance, you have Stonehenge and Pisgah. So note the biblical name, as I say, just to give you a little highlight on Anorak.